So how can you see hidden folders in your Android phone? Let's get into it. So if you want to, obviously you can open up the file browser, which is built in usually on your phone, and you can go through the internal storage, or even if you have like a SD card support, you can also browse through that. And using this, you should be able to find most of the folders which you are interested in. But if you can't find something, you can explore some third-party file browser. For example, there is an app called CX File Explorer, and using this app, I usually have good experience because I can go through the files a bit more efficiently. It's just much quicker, and I perhaps get to see more things right here, so that might be useful as well. However, if you are wondering about some hidden files which no longer serve the purpose or just clutter up the storage and make the device slower, in that case, if you want to get rid of those, you'll need to use some sort of cleaner app, right? And the app which I mentioned to you, the CX File Explorer, it has some sort of cleaner implemented into it as well, like you can explore it, but for dedicated cleaning purposes of my Android devices, I use an app called SDMate. And it is a free app which you can download from the Google Play Store. It's pretty reliable. There are actually two versions. I usually go with the second one, right? And there I can perform a bunch of different scans. Like there is a feature called System Cleaner, App Cleaner, and even a deduplicator, so it can find like duplicate files which don't need to be stored twice, so obviously it makes sense. And using this, you can find many different folders and hidden files which you couldn't really find on your own, and it helps you track them down, but also delete them and free up the storage, speed up the phone, and you're gonna be happy about it. So make sure to give this app a try to see if it makes any difference in your case, and then let me know about that below in the comments. So thanks a lot for watching. I really hope that I could help you with this. Subscribe for more, and I'll see you later in the next video.